This is a microscope.
And this seems to be a microscope too. Is this also a microscope?
Yes, it is. All these instruments are microscopes.
Stop. Wait a second. This doesn't look like a microscope at all.
True, but it is. And even this huge box is a microscope.
What are all these instruments for? Isn't microscopy about magnifying and resolving small details?
Yes, that is the main function. But there is so much more than simply making small things visible. You can observe living cells in motion, collect three-dimensional measurements, identify chemical elements, count thousands of tiny particles, characterize surfaces, create nanostructures, and look into the smallest objects without destroying them.
Now I understand what Ernst Abbe had in mind when he said, "The microscopes of tomorrow will not have much in common with those of today."
And from the beginning to now, ZEISS has been playing a leading role in developing a variety of microscopy techniques.
And what will be the future of microscopy?
At ZEISS, the future has already started. It's not only about pioneering new techniques, it's about combining them.
To get different perspectives on my samples?
Yes, only ZEISS enables you to correlate light, electron, ion, and X-ray microscopy, so you can get a thorough understanding of your specimens. Come with us and explore the microscopy of tomorrow.